obu nchero sokoligie kirokyo bunge kurwa senseme yo zebede Opore nerengati ya bali banchirwa senchire ya bene kogendra neganga yo wochi ya koligie kiroga senseme yo maega ye kyombe kirino bochori nechimbe wa Iebc kumwanjira kogendra neganga yo wikirania magendra senseme yo Opore ni gata birebuna nale no kwegena buna nachi wikirania mange aise gochoro buno omo jumbe a senseme yo sobo chorio bonane bole bosio ni gata birebuna gokine wo chummi ngati yali arachi koligerelia nabo igoma iga yo wanjerwa ni gata banachi ko kinye birengo byechisemi a senseme yo nabo igobune nchireyemo yo kuruo bokoribwaye na chikorosya chipara na comment okuboro kwa mache a sensemo ya bonchari Opore boigo ni gata biruno kubwatira na amenye kurwa senseme yo ni gukura kinya nsemo ya bonchari asaburi amenye benseme yo kumubwatsia asomo chori bonene bole bosio.
Because me personally I'm very peaceful. Even my followers, like they are already like, but it is excitement that Opore is back to them, so that they can make a choice that they've been longing for. I know I've been missing on the ground. Essentially, it's because time hadn't come for us to begin campaigning. Now that we've been recognized by Iebc as due candidates, we are ready to take the ground where it is supposed to be. And we look forward to meeting you on the ground so that you can cover us and make sure that your coverage is not biased, it's free and fair, like Iebc should be free and fair, so that wananchi can get their right choice. Don't want anybody to determine for them. Let wananchi determine for themselves. Only that way that we can make progress in terms of what they want. If you are handpicked for wananchi, things can go haywire because it is terrible to be handpicked. So I look forward to be meeting you in your campaign schedules, and we look forward to me